Hello and welcome to the video. This week I've asked you to have a look at this code here, and I've asked you to have a look and see what you think the problem is with the code. So let's go through what the code should do. The code is a Black Friday price checking algorithm. So what it does, we have a price history, which is within this Python list here. So these 249,229,279, these are a list of prices that a product has previously been. And then we've got a Black Friday price that tells us what the price is on Black Friday. Sometimes these retailers will put that the Black Friday price is the best price they've ever had, when unfortunately if you have a look back in through the history, it's actually not the best price they've actually had for that product. The idea for this code is to have a look through the price history, and it is there to check if the Black Friday price of 229 is the cheapest price that it ever has been. So pause the video here, see if you can figure out where these errors are. Let's go through the code and make sure everything is as it should be. So price history, nothing wrong with this. Price history is just the variable for our list. And we've got a list set up. It's a list of integer values because they are just prices. So we've got 249229. If it was strings, we'd know because it would have little speech marks across the numbers there. So this is a list of numbers of integers. Then we have on line 2, we've got Black Friday price, nothing wrong with that, is equal to 229. Again, that is an integer, and that's going to make it really easy for us to compare that price there, that integer price there, with all the prices in the list. So nothing wrong so far. Everything is declared as it should be. Let's go down to line 4. So we've got a for loop here, for x in price history. X is our little temporary variable, which is going to iterate through price history, which is our list. It's going to take each of these numbers in turn, and when it's going through, so if x, so if that first number, for example, is greater than Black Friday price, print this product has been cheaper, and it's going to put the price. Now, can we spot a problem there? So if x is greater than the Black Friday price, so if 249 is greater than 229, print this product has been cheaper. Can you spot a problem? Yep, well done. The problem is that 249 would actually trigger and it would print this product has been cheaper, but the price is actually 249, which is actually more expensive. So like one of the other problems that we've had before, this is a logical error, or this is a logic error. What it should be is if x is less than, so if one of these prices in this list is less than the Black Friday price, we need to print onto the screen that this product has been cheaper. So there we go, that is one of our problems there. It's a logic error. Instead of greater than, it should have been less than. Great, so do we think that we've solved all the problems in this code? Everything else looks fine, so we're going to print this product has been cheaper. So when it has finished going over all of the values in this list, it's going to print I have checked the price history, so we know that it's finished. Right, let's check that code. Let's click on run, see if the problem has been solved. So we've clicked on the run button and we get this error here, type error, can't concatenate string and integer objects on line 6. So we're looking at line 6, that's where our error has occurred. Let's have a look, see if we can figure out what this means. Cannot concatenate string and integer objects. Line 6, print this product has been cheaper. We've got a plus symbol and then x. In a few examples in Python, this plus object is used with another object and interchangeably, which I'm going to show you in a little bit. So what it's saying is that we're trying to put together a string. We're trying to add together a string. So this product has been cheaper with a number. We're trying to add those together, which is not correct. We're not trying to concatenate them. We're not trying to add them together and smush them together. All we're trying to do is put this product has been cheaper, and then we're going to want to put the price after it. So in this instance, the plus symbol is the wrong one to use. What we actually want to use is this little comma here, because this says this product has been cheaper, and then after the comma we want to put the variable x, or the current price that it is on as it's going through that for loop. So that's what that comma is going to do. It's not going to try and smush them together. All it's going to say is we have our string and then we have our integer. So that is why we use the comma instead of the plus. The plus is where we want to actually kind of add things together. So concatenate is something you'll need to know for your GCSE exam, and it's where we try and put two things together. So add two things together. Right, so we've solved that issue there with the concatenation. Let's run that again, see if it works. So I've pressed the run button. Great, the output, this product has been cheaper, 219, and I have checked the price history. So it's gone through, it's found the value 219 up here, and it's checked it against our Black Friday price, and it's found that it's cheaper, so it's printed out this product has been cheaper, and then it's finally printed I've checked the price history, because it ran through and iterated through all of those values within price history. Fantastic, works great. Now let's just double check our code, because it's really good for us to actually check the algorithm, make sure that if we put different values in, that it works how we expect it to work. So what if we have loads of prices here? Let's put in 289 instead of 219. So what happens if we don't have a price that is less than our Black Friday price? What happens with our algorithm? Does it still work? Let's click on the run. And in our output we get I've checked the price history. This if statement here doesn't actually trigger because we don't have a price that is less than the Black Friday price. So our algorithm works as expected. Fantastic. What happens actually if we have more than one value which is cheaper? So let's put that one at 209. Let's put this at 219. Let's see actually if this still works. So it should output both of these lower values here. Let's again press the run button and check. So here we go. This product has been cheaper 209 and this product has been cheaper 219, and I've checked the price history. Great. Our algorithm works. We know from this now that the product's been cheaper twice before the Black Friday price. Great, our algorithm actually works and it prints it out twice, so we can go back to our retailer and say, actually that price isn't the cheapest price, you've had it at 209 and you've had it at 219 previously. So we've proved that our algorithm works, we've found both of the errors, hopefully you managed to find at least one of these errors, and if you didn't find one or if you didn't find any of them, hopefully you've learned something through this video today. Thank you very much for joining me. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and we'll hope to see you again soon. Thank you very much.